Hello everybody, welcome back to Drunken Sailor. I am Bill, your Drunken Sailor, and I want to thank you for joining us. I want to thank and welcome back all those new subscribers that we've got, and for those of you that keep coming back, we're glad to have you. Do us a favor, leave us a like, leave us a comment, tell us cocktails that you want to see, tell us what you like or don't like about the cocktails that we're making for you. We really like to see those comments and we appreciate it. Well, we are going to make another, actually pre-Prohibition cocktail. It's a classic. This was a cocktail that was made at the Detroit Athletic Club in early 1916. It gained a lot of popularity in the club during the 20s during Prohibition. But it has come back into favor again. And join me today as we make the cocktail The Last Word. Let's get pouring. We're going to make this in a shaker, and the really nice thing about this cocktail is it's all equal parts. First off, we are going to put in there some freshly squeezed lime juice. We're going to use 1 ounce. Our next ingredient in there is maraschino liqueur. We're using the Lusardo. 1 ounce. Our next ingredient in there, and this has been a little bit difficult for some people to find, but we've got it around here, and it is Green Chartreuse. 1 ounce. Last but not least, our final ingredient is gin, and we are using Gray Whale gin this time. It's the first time we've been using this one, and that's going to get 1 ounce. Everything it needs is in there already. Now what we're going to do is take some ice, give this a good shake to chill it down. And give this a good shake. We've got it nice and chilled down. Now we just need our iced coupe. And we pour. The only thing left is a garnish, and to garnish this we're just simply going to take a cocktail cherry, drop it in the bottom. Today we're using Amaro cherries, and there you go. The last word. Cheers everyone.